Hello dear students, so in this video I'll teach you the topic area of triangle, how to find the area of triangle using determinants. You know other methods also to find the area, right? But in this video we will be learning how to find the area of triangle using determinants if vertices are given to you. Now you are given three vertices x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. With the help of determinant, if you want to find the area, the formula will be 1 by 2 determinant of x1, y1 in first row, x2, y2 in second row, x3, y3 in third row. Now since you are having 3 rows and 2 columns, so you will be writing 1, 1, 1 in the third column, so that you will be having 3 rows and 3 columns. You know, to find the determinant, the order should be the same. Like if rows are 3, then column should be 3. It should be a square matrix, right? Now, how to apply this formula? Find the area of triangle whose vertices are 3, 8 minus 4, 2, 5, 1. It is very easy to apply this formula. It is 1 by 2 determinant of 3, 8, 1 minus 4, 2, 1, 5, 1, 1. Right? So we will expand along R1. 3 in the bracket 2 minus 1. Right? Then my plus, you know there is sign of plus, minus, plus. This we learn why this plus minus is coming when we are solving determinants, right? We learned it earlier. So minus 8 minus 4 minus 5 plus 1 minus 4 minus 4, 5 twos are 10. Solving this calculations, you will be getting 61. 61 into 2, 61 upon 2 will be the answer. So calculating area of triangle when 3 vertices are given, 3 points are given, it is very easy because you know a triangle is formed by joining 3 points. So it is very important that you must be knowing the 3 points, only then you can find the area of the triangle. Let this point be x1, y1, this point be x2, y2 and this point be x3, y3, right? So now this is very simple, but sometimes we come across with some tricky questions. So next example is our tricky question. So we will see how to solve this. Find the equation of the line joining the points A 1, 3 and B 0, 0 using determinants. This is first part. And the second part is find K if D of K, 0 is a point such that area of triangle ABD is 3 square units. First, we will be solving first point. The first point is find the equation of the line joining 2 points. One point is AB, 3 and the second point is B 0, 0 using determinant. We are given only this information. 2 points are given and we have to use determinants to find the equation of line. Can we use the formula of area of triangle to find this equation, right? So for area of triangle we need 3 points. Let the third point be P, which coordinates are x, y, right? So I'll write it more clearly. This will be P. This point I'll write P. 1, 3 P as x, y. Now if I will consider that the 3 points are forming a triangle A, this B and P, then the area of this triangle will be 0 because there is no region occupied by the 3 points. The area is 0 and I will be using this formula to calculate the equation of line. So let P, x, y be any point on AB. Then the area of triangle ABP is 0. So that I will be having 1 by 2 determinant of 0, 0, 1, 1, 3, xy, 1, 1, 1 is equals to 0. So 1 by 2 outside and I'll expand. 0 into this determinant 0. This is plus, this is minus, this is plus. Minus 0 into something 0. we are only left with this one. So this one determinant y minus 3x. So I will be having determinant y minus 3x. Now 1 by 2 y minus 3x is equals to 0, which implies y minus 3x is equals to 0, which implies y is equals to 3x. So both the answers are correct. If you are writing y minus 3x is equals to 0, this is also can be written as equation of line. If you are writing y is equals to 3x, you can also write it as equation of line, which is required equation. Now the second is, find k if dk comma 0 is a point such that area of triangle ABD is 3 square units. A, you know, 1 comma 3, B, you know, 0 comma 0. So I am given one more point D, which is k comma 0. If the area of the triangle formed by these 3 points is 3 square units, then you have to find the value of this k. So we will apply the formula 1 by 2. We will write the coordinates 1, 3, 0, 0, k, 0 and 1, 1, 1 in the third column is equals to plus minus 3. Why this is plus minus 3? Because you are given the area of the triangle 3 square units. If the area of triangle is 3, you write 3 square unit. If the area of triangle is minus 3, even then you write 3 square units in magnitude. That means area of triangle, when it was calculated, the answer could be plus 3, the answer could be minus 3, but it is given to us always 3 square units. So we will be taking both the possibilities, that area of triangle ABD is plus minus 3. So now I have to calculate the determinant. Determinant row wise you calculate along first row. So it is 1, 0 minus 0, 0. Then second is plus minus plus, minus 3 into 0 minus k. So minus 3k plus 1 into this 0, minus 3k upon 2 is equals to plus minus 3. 3 cancel each other, which implies minus k by 2 is equals to plus minus 1, which implies minus k is equals to plus minus 2. And on multiplying with minus on both sides, we will be getting k is equals to minus plus 2, because on multiplying with minus, this plus will become minus and this minus will become plus. So we will be getting k is equals to minus plus 2 as the answer, right? So only these two concepts are there in area of a triangle topic, and based upon these we will be having questions. First is, now you have to pause the video here, note down the questions, take the copy and pen and start solving, okay? When you will be start solving, you will be able to know how to solve these questions. Find the area of triangle with the vertices at the point given in each of the following. So 3 points are given to you. You have to find the area of triangle. So this is simple. Show that the points A, B, C are collinear. To prove that the points are collinear, you will be proving that the area is 0, right? Then the third, find the value of k if the area of triangle is 4 square units. This is same as the example 2 we did earlier, right? So you will be writing the area plus minus 4, then you will be finding the value of k. Then fourth question, find the equation of the line joining the 2 points. So you will be taking third point x comma y. So you will be having 3 points, and then you will be finding the equation of line by finding the area of triangle, which you will write it is equals to 0. Then fifth question is also same, 3 coordinates are given to you, area is given to you, and you have to find the value of k. So this is the most easiest topic, and I'm sure this is very clear to you. Now you read the video again if there is any doubt, and write to me in comments. Fine. Thank you so much.